Guys, welcome back. I'm going to be giving you guys another U-part wig tutorial, and this time I am doing it with human hair. So let's get straight into it. I basically braided up both sides of my hair and then I sectioned off leave out for the U-part wig, and my natural curly hair is just braided up, and then we are going to be blending in the hair. So the hair I'm using is from Luvmehair, and it does include a free flat iron. And then it has this bag, and inside the bag there is a rat tail comb for when you need to section your hair wax to help lay down your hair, bobby pins, a clip, and even tweezers. So here is the hair. It is so bomb. It's so beautiful. This is body wave, and it does come in 18 inches. They have different inch sizes on the website, and it comes in this like 1B color, but it's kind of like an off brownish black, so it matches good with my hair. And as you can see, it had like little strap on it, so I went ahead and cut the straps off, and I put on the wig cap. It does include a wig cap. This is optional because honestly I only put the wig cap on for this video, but on the other days I didn't wear a wig cap. So what I'm doing is I'm unsnapping it. It comes with clips, so you'll be able to hook it onto your hair. And what I'm going to do is that section I left out for my leave out, I'm just going to clip the wefts right onto my hair. It's super simple to apply this wig. And the cap on this wig does run a little bit oversized, but that can easily be fixed with a little bit of extra bobby pins. Other than that, it does include enough space, so depending on your head shape, everyone should pretty much be able to fit this. Okay, for my leave out, I'm using my Design Essentials, and this is like their blow dry prep spray, basically a heat protectant for when you're about to blow dry your hair, and it makes it a little bit easier. Like I said, I left the rest of my hair natural, curly. I just basically braided up my natural hair, but for my leave out, I am going to have to straighten it so that it can blend. So I'm just running that blow dry prep primer spray throughout my hair, and then I'm going to section it off so I can begin blow drying it. Okay, always use a heat protectant and stuff like that so we don't get any type of heat damage in our hair. And then also on my hair that I left underneath the wig, I did spray rice water on it so I can get my hair growing. So I decided I want to do a middle part for this look. And from the look of it, you're thinking, Yalon, this isn't going to blend. But watch me make magic happen, okay? So next, I'm going to go in with their like flat iron spray. That's the step 4 spray, and that's also a heat protectant, but it's also supposed to help your hair be a little more silky smooth and make it easier for when you're running the flat iron through. So basically what I'm going to do is go section by section and just straighten out my hair with my flat iron. And yeah, pretty simple. I'm just going to go ahead and flat iron it. And I decided to get a human hair wig this time because I want to be able to rock the U-part wig more for when I want to straighten my hair, because I do not like straightening my whole hair. It takes too long, my hair is too thick, and I just want something quick, simple, and easy. And this U-part wig is so easy, and the hair is gorgeous. I didn't experience any shedding. Super soft. It's shiny, it's flowy, doesn't have any type of chemical smell or anything like that. Like, it's really nice hair, and I like that they include all that free stuff such as the flat iron and all that stuff. So as you can see, I'm just doing the chase method and getting my hair nice and straight. And then I went ahead and just brushed my hair over the section so you don't see any of the tracks. And I'm just taking those extra bobby pins and securing the hair down to my head even more. That's optional if you don't feel like it's as secure as you would like. There's clips around the side where I put it on, and there's a clip on the very back for when you secure your hair. So it's a pretty secure cap. It's just I added the bobby pins because the cap felt a little loose, so that's why I'm just adding bobby pins to help tighten it up. And then I'm just going over my flat iron on my edges because, you know, gotta have those blended out nice and good as well. And then I just kind of ran the flat iron over my hair a second time. So this is what my hair looks like not blended. And here it is. I'm going to go ahead and curl this hair. This hair looks super gorgeous when curled, so that's going to be my look. And as you can see on that left side of my head that I had already went ahead and curled, it made the hair blend even more better with mine. So I went for a curly look, of course. I feel like when you do like clip-ins, U-part wigs, if you curl the hair, it blends way more better because it looks very unnatural if you don't blend it. Sometimes you can tell like where your leave out is and where the wig starts almost if you don't curl your hair. If you want a more natural look, I highly suggest curling your hair. And if you don't want to use heat at all, like even on your wig or your real hair, you can use flexi rods, of course. I don't have any, so I just went ahead and curled my hair. And as you can see, I'm just using a regular wand curler. I've had this for years now, and I'm just going ahead and curling the hair. And you guys, this hair holds a curl really, really good. Like, I'm on day 6 of having this hair in, and the curls still look amazing. I haven't retouched them at all. They fall, of course, but they still look amazing. And I'm just taking some bobby pins, clipping the hair back, and I didn't put no more additional heat on my hair for any of these days. Like, I just kept clipping back these 2 front sections so that it blends, and it looks so good. Now I'm just taking my edge booster, and that's what I use to lay my edges down, and then I'm taking that hair wax and I'm just placing it on there just so everything can blend and lay down a little bit flatter. It helps get rid of any flyaways you may have. And this is the final look. It looks so good. Like, it looks very, very natural. It's blending with my real hair. Like, at first it looked kind of like the struggle. You're like, Yalon, I don't know about this. It turned out so good. I'm so impressed with this hair. The quality is amazing. Like I said, it is virgin hair. And this is such a good U-part. I'm so glad I found this. They actually are currently having a sale, so you might want to hop on it. It's like 60% off plus 22%. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye, guys.